Integrating gender and nutrition within agricultural extension services in Uganda. AFAAS is a body that brings together all agricultural extension and advisory services actors in Uganda. These range from public sector, private sector, academia, including schools, NGOs or civil society, farmer organizations, and media. AFAAS promotes strategic partnerships, advocacy, capacity building, information sharing, and interaction among actors towards the vision of professional agricultural extension and advisory services effectively driving the agricultural revolution in Uganda.
AFAAS is an umbrella organization that brings together all actors in agriculture extension and advisory services in Uganda. It's an umbrella organization that brings the traditional extension officers at district, sub-county levels. It also brings in the academia, the private sector players, the media, and the CSO, and then also the government of Uganda.
Since 2015, AFAAS, together with the University of Illinois, have implemented a project on integration of gender and nutrition within agricultural extension services, engineers in Uganda.
We partnered to work on four fronts. One is strengthening the capacity of farmer organizations or farmer-based organizations, and training them and following them up on how they integrate this within their own activities. These were 30 farm organizations from 30 different districts. And then it also had the component of working with the public sector, with the ministry at the policy level, looking at issues of how gender nutrition can be incorporated within the agriculture extension services, but also at the local level, involving the public servants within their districts.
Objectives of the Engineers Project included to enhance gender and nutrition awareness within the communities of farmer organizations targeted by private sector extension organizations through action-oriented learning and capacity development. Support public sector extension strategy in the area of nutrition and gender integration in their extension approaches.
To help extension agents really understand not only how to integrate gender and nutrition into their work, but how to empower women farmers much more. And in Uganda, that's a particularly critical situation because women are very much concentrated in the production ends of agriculture and not in the marketing where the income is generated. And it's very important that women have more access and control of resources, particularly the income that's generated from agricultural products.
Create a robust community of practice around gender and nutrition integration in extension, and to provide training and mentoring opportunities for young professionals, particularly students, through a successful Engineers Fellows program.
The Engineers Project facilitated my studies, my master's studies, and most importantly, the research, which is always a challenging venture among postgraduate students. I thank Engineers for that. Besides that, Engineers has built capacity in me, has built my capacity, my knowledge and skills in integrating gender and nutrition into agricultural services. I have interacted with quite a number of farmer-based organizations, Ministry of Agriculture, Ministry of Health, and other stakeholders in Uganda that have nutrition both as an objective and an end goal. I thank Engineers for bringing a new approach into Uganda that is integrating gender and nutrition into agricultural services that has long been ignored in addressing malnutrition issues in our country.
I've been a fellow of Engineers Project and I managed to accomplish my research with their support because I did not have enough money to do the research, and they came in at the right time for me to finishing time. I would thank so much IGENAES for the work they have been doing among the fellows, and if possible, they could get for the Ugandans more grants and be able to support more students who are doing research within their thematic areas, because the area of gender and nutrition is really still very inadequately known within the rural communities, and it is hard for people to integrate the three in one, and that is what IGENAES has really made us be better off with.
As the project winds, IGENAES has created opportunities for continued integrating gender and nutrition within agriculture extension in Uganda.
What a man can do, a woman can do. This I've learned, and at least the tools to be used when disseminating information to the communities is more practical. In the past, we have been holding, we have been giving out handouts, we have been reading to people. I indeed thank UFAAS and IGENAES, because they have told us you get 90% message home to the people if you do it practically.